Hello kids, welcome back to Happy Learning with Noor. Today we are going to learn a very special letter. Can you guess? Yes, it's the letter C. Say it with me. C. Here is the capital C and here is the small c. Wow, great job. Now let's learn the sound of C. C says K. C says K. Like in cat. Repeat after me. K. K. Very good. Sometimes C can also say S, like in city. But today we will practice the sound K. Can you say it again? K. Wow, amazing! Let's see some fun words that start with C. Car, car. Cake, cake. Cup, cup. Cow, cow. Corn, corn. Camera, camera. Colors, colors. Candle, candle. Candy, candy. Excellent, you are learning so fast. Okay kids, look at these letters on the screen. Can you find the letter C? Yes, there it is. Let's circle it. Great job. Now let's play a game. Here are 3 pictures. Dog, cat, doll. Which one starts with C? Yes, cat. Now let's see. Zebra, car, banana. Which one? Car. Car. Very good. Now, alligator, bee, cow. Which one? Cow. Cow. Super smart kids. Let's do a clapping game. Every time you hear a sound with C, you clap your hands. Ready? Listen carefully. Cat, dog, cake, ball, pen, car. Did you clap on cat, cake, car? Yes, wonderful. Good job. C is for colors. Let's color together. Here is a cake. Let's fill it with colors. Pink, yellow, and blue. Wow, so beautiful. Colors make everything happy. C is for colors. Now it's time for a short story with letter C. Listen carefully and say the C words with me. One day, a little cat was sitting near a car. Inside the car, there was a yummy cake and a hot cup of milk. The cat saw the cake and said, "Meow, meow, I want cake." The cat jumped into the car, ate the cake, and drank from the cup. The cat was so happy. It started playing with the colorful camera. The cat clicked photos of the car, the cake, and even itself. Wow, what a funny cat! Did you enjoy it? Now, did you hear all the C words? K, cat, k, car, k, cake, k, cup, k, camera. Very good. Now let's learn how to write the letter C. Capital C looks like a big half circle. Watch me. Start at the top, curve around and stop. Small c looks like a small half circle. Easy. Now let's write in the air with your fingers. Ready? Here is the capital C. Do it with me. Now it's small c. Wow, you're doing amazing. Today we learn the letter C. C says K. C is for K. Cat. K. Car. K. Cake. K. Cup. K. Cow. K. Corn. K. Camera. K. Colors. K. Candle. K. Candy. You clapped, colored, played games, and even listened to a story. Give yourself a big clap. Great job, kids. See you next time with another letter. Bye bye.